Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video, I'm going to explain you about the appropriate problems for decision tree learning in the subject of machine learning. So again, one more video related to decision tree. Okay, so in the previous video, I have divided the video into 3 parts where I explained about the decision tree algorithm, the decision tree problem, along with an example, the representation of the decision tree and all. Now we are going to see appropriate problems, like in what situations, in what in what situations you can apply this decision tree. We are going to see in which cases you're going to apply this decision tree. We are going to see. Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you something. If you're having your exam schedule nearby, let me know the date of your exam in the comment section so that I can make videos by then, and also your college name so that I will make videos according to your college syllabus. Okay, done. And so let's start now. First, decision tree algorithm is best suited to problems with following characteristics. Following features you can use the decision tree algorithm. So first, instances are represented by attribute value pairs. So instances, so when you're having the instances and those instances are represented by attribute value pairs, in that situations you can apply this. For example, in our previous example which we have learned, age was an attribute, right? And it has values like old, mid and new, right? So this is the attribute and these are the values. Attribute value pair, that's all. So when you are having instances in form of attribute value pairs, then you can go for decision tree algorithm. Okay, and second, when the target function has discrete output values, we will have discrete and we will have continuous, right? Discrete is everything is different, everything is independent of each other. Continuous means based on the previous one value, based on the previous one result, we will be getting the next one. So in case of continuous, it is not applicable. In case of discrete, where each and every instance, where each and every output value is independent of each other, in that case only we can apply this decision tree learning. For example, you're having in our previous example which we have seen, we have some characteristics, right? We have age, we have type, we have competition, and then the profit was up or down. So for example, the age is old and the competition is yes, and the type is hardware, then the profit value was up. Just example I'm telling you, not exactly what there was. So here, and for another set of values we will have some other, right? We will have yes or down or whatever. So either it is up or down, it is not depending on the previous one, right? It is independent of each and every set of values. So you can use it where discrete values you have, not continuous values, where each and every value is independent of its previous one or its next one. Okay, and the third situation is when you are having, and don't always think that decision tree can be applied only to 2 output values. You can extend it even if you're having 3 output values. So in our previous example which we have learned, we have only 2 output values, right? One was up and down for profit. But even if you're having something else apart from up or down, if you're having steady, I mean the profit will not go up or the profit will not come down, it is in a steady state also, you can use this decision tree algorithm. So not only for 2 output values, even if you are having more also, you can extend this decision tree algorithm for that. Okay, and the third is training data can have errors. So even though the training data is having errors also, in that case also you can use this decision tree algorithm. So supports for errors also, and may contain missing attribute values also. So even though the training data is having some missing values also, in that case also you can apply this decision tree. Okay, for example, in our previous example, when we were constructing the decision tree, we did not consider the type, right? So we were not very worried about the type attribute, right? So in that case what happens, I'll show you the example. Wait, so in this example, see, in this example what we did, we constructed the decision tree by taking profit as a target attribute, by taking root, age as a root, and in one case when we face some contradiction in case of mid, we took the help of competition. That's all. We did not even touch the type attribute, right? So here in type, suppose you're having hardware as this is not mentioned, it is not mentioned as either as hardware or software, and this value is also not mentioned, let us suppose, and this value is also not mentioned, let us suppose. So what happens if these values are not mentioned? Because we did not even have any use with this type, right? So we just constructed our decision tree based on age, competition and profit. So even so, some of the values are missing also, even though if same in the type, if you are having some errors also, then it will work, right? Because type is not influencing the design of our decision tree, so it will work even if there are errors and even if there are missing values also. Okay, so in these situations you can apply this decision tree learning algorithm. So when you can apply, when you're having attribute value pairs, when the data is in discrete form, not in continuous form, and when you are having any errors in the data, and even though if the data is missing. So in these situations you can apply this decision tree algorithm. Okay, done. So that's all for this video. Let's meet up in the next coming video with another topic. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, hit the like button and also share it with your friends. If you're still having any doubts apart from what I've explained in this video, just let me know that in the comment section, and also make sure that you will subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications whenever I post a new video. And if you want me to make any other videos or any other topics or subjects or anything, just let me know that in the comment section. I'll definitely do it for sure. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic. Till then, stay tuned to my channel for more videos.